What's up, guys? Ooh, let me make sure my hair is together before I start, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole for you guys that do not know. And guess what, guys? I just got off from work, came home, and something was waiting for me. Can you guys guess what it is? I know you can't. Y'all, it is my Allure beauty box for September. Oh my God, y'all. I'm excited. It's a new design. I'm hoping I got that Laura Mercier powder. Ooh, please, please, please. So if you guys want to see what's inside of my Allure beauty box for the month of September, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. So guys, I just got off from work. I'm filming for you guys at night. I threw on this quick look, which I don't know. My makeup is not quite vibing with me tonight. I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but I'm not feeling it. I just feel like I'm too light in the face. I don't know. May add some bronzer later. Well, I'm lying because I'm going straight to bed after this video. Anyway, guys, I got my Allure beauty box for the month of September, and I'm very excited to show you guys what's in it. Y'all, the design has changed. Look at the new box. It's got like this little lift up top. Girl, all right, Allure, I see you. As you guys know, I was not feeling my Allure beauty box last month, so I'm hoping that this month will be better. I'm hoping that I get that Laura Mercier powder. Girl, if I get that, oh my God, I'm gonna be so excited, y'all. So we will not be long. We're gonna get right on into it. So for you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 deluxe to sample size products. Sometimes they give us a full size product every now and then. And it's supposed to have a value of at least $50, guys. And y'all know that Allure always goes above and beyond that 50, so hey, what it is. Plus, with this box being $15, it's free shipping. Where they do that at? I know. So guys, without further ado, let's just get right on into this unboxing. So as I told you guys before, the little design has changed. It's now this cute little box that the top lifts up. It's very sturdy. It feels very nice. It's white with our little silver letters. I have not opened it yet. I took the plastic off. I didn't peek inside, but let's see. It's kind of small for our little usual bag that we get. So we're gonna lift up the top like this. Ooh. And this is what the inside of the box is looking like, guys. Every month it comes with this little brochure here that tells us all of the products that we received inside of the box. And this month's box had this little red paper. Ooh, oh, but we don't have no little bag. Okay, well, let's see what's inside, guys. Just go straight off the top. So I'm seeing on top we have this pear right here. And this is the Perfect Smooth Shampoo Color Protectant shampoo here. And the Perfect Smooth Color Protectant Conditioner here from Nature Lab in Tokyo. You get 1.0 fluid ounces of product, and this is both this one, the shampoo is sulfate and paraben free, and the conditioner is paraben free. Let me show you guys. Let's show you how it looks. So that's what it is. We got this cute little deluxe sample size shampoo and conditioner right there. So this will definitely be going into a giveaway because I don't know about these products, y'all. It has a little safety seal here, so I will not be opening it, guys. I will be putting these two little products in a giveaway. So let's read up a little bit about these two. I'm gonna do them as a set because it's a shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So it says on here that it is the Nature Lab Perfect Shampoo and Conditioner. This duo, these two little products right here, won a Best of Beauty Award in 2018 for a calming frizz on every texture. They're sulfate free. They're also good for color treated hair. They are vegan and cruelty free. Wow, okay. So these two both retail for $14 each. So they're $14 each. All right, guys, up next, I am seeing from La Roche-Posay. Oh, I'm gonna say, I hope that's the correct way to say it, Posay. I don't wanna say anything, you know, I don't know. All right, so this is some, look like Soothing Relief skin protecting cream. It's oatmeal cream, and this is what the outside package is looking like, guys. And I think it's for eczema, which my niece has eczema, so I will be passing this on to my sister. And you get this little bitty baby sample size product here, and that's what it's looking like, guys. And let's see if it has a safety seal on it, and it does not. I'm gonna put a little bit because I'm gonna give this to my niece, but I'm just gonna test a little bit on the back of my hand. White cream, like, oops, girl. And all right, I mean, it feels kind of thick. It does not have a smell at all, and you don't see any difference on my hands, guys. So let's, oh, and they don't really have too much in here either. Okay, guys, so let's read up a little bit about this because I haven't heard of this brand before, and it says that this is an eczema soothing relief cream here. You guys can't see it, but I think I showed you guys the packaging. I don't know. I'm tripping this morning, girl. I'm saying this morning. I'm tripping today, y'all. I'm sick still, and I don't know. The brain is not all the way wrapped tight today, so just please forgive me. But it says that you do not have to have eczema to enjoy this cream. It is intensely hydrating without being too heavy, so it makes for a great hand cream. So since it is a soothing cream for eczema, I am going to let my niece try this out. So I'm going to pass this on to my sister and let you guys know in a later video if she liked it or not. And it retails for $14.99 for the full size one of these products. And in this here you get, let me see how many fluid ounces, 0.17 fluid ounces in this little one here. So yeah. Okay, guys, up next we have from Allure this Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightening Facial Scrub. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And you get 1 fluid ounce of product in here. And it has sea kelp and French green clay, and it works on all skin types. So this is a brightening face scrub here. Okay, I'm kind of okay about getting that. It does have a safety seal. I am not gonna open it because y'all know I'm backed up on skincare, but we're gonna read up a little bit about this and I'm gonna give you guys the price. And this says, most exfoliators are too harsh for sensitive skin and they break the capillaries, but this formula's superfine grit doesn't aggravate the skin or make it red. So this cleanses the pores, all of that good stuff, leaving your face feeling fresh and clean. And this, guys, retails for $9.99 for the full size, and the full size would be 4 fluid ounces, and this is just 1. So yeah, guys, Allure's not too pricey this month, huh? I don't know. Maybe it'll get a little better. Well, not really, because I did not get the Laura Mercier cream. I got the NARS Velvet Lip matte pencil here. I like the pencil too, but I really wanted that Laura Mercier powder, guys. I really did. And this shade is Dolce Vita, and that's the shade right there. And let's take it out the pack so that we can see what it looks like. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Let me show you guys this first. There it is. This is beautiful. This is a full size too, guys. Oh, well, this is a pink shade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this probably will not work for me, so I shouldn't have swatched it. But let's see what it says about this product. I could probably use this as like an eyeshadow or something like that, or maybe like a little blush on my cheeks, because it feels very creamy. So it may not work on the lips, but we could definitely use this on the eyes or the cheeks. And let's see what it says about this. I think this was a bonus item, so I will get the price off the internet and I'll put it down here for you guys because there's no price in the box for this. So yeah, we got the NARS instead of the Laura Mercier. It's okay. And our last product is from Ciate A London, this Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm. And this is what the packaging is looking like. I don't want to blind you guys. We're gonna open it up, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. And oh, it's like a little balm here. It's a hydrating balm. You can roll it up like that. It's not really too much product, but it's enough. I think this is definitely a full-size product. Oh, but it does feel very hydrating on the skin, and it does give it a little bit of a shimmer. If you guys can see right there, it's a bit of a shimmer. It's beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I didn't think that I would like it, but it's a dewy stick. I like to be dewy for the winter because my skin is so dry. So I definitely will be using this, and let's see what the price is on this baby. And this right here is the Ciate A London Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Beam in Gleam. Okay, that's the shade Gleam. Yeah, it's on the bottom here. And this retails, guys, for $26. And this is the full size. All right, guys, that was my last product in the box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts. I'm gonna rate this box and we're gonna be done. All right, so we received from Allure this brightening facial scrub here, from Nature's Lab this shampoo and conditioner combo right here. We also received from La Roche-Posay this eczema cream here, from Ciate A London this dewy highlighting stick, and from NARS this what is it called? What is this called, guys? This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil right here. So that's 6 products for this month. So final thoughts, guys, is I really did not like this box this month. It is, I mean, I don't know. Ooh, it's just like a no-go for me this month with Allure. Most of the stuff, this shampoo and conditioner, I'm gonna put in a giveaway. Eczema cream, I'm gonna give to my niece. I'm gonna use this probably at a later date. I don't like to exfoliate every day because it's really too harsh on my skin and I break out like crazy, but I will give this a try. I will give this a try and I will use this, but I'm just not excited or thrilled by this box at all, guys. I need to definitely know your thoughts on this box. I don't know. I don't know. And it's not because I didn't get the Laura Mercier powder. It's just, I don't know. These products this month, and the price point was not even like, ooh, girl, like, no, I don't know. So for me, if I had to rate this box on a scale from 1 being this box is garbage to 5 being this box is a bomb.com, I would definitely give Allure for this month a 1.5. I did not like this box. I don't care for this box at all, guys. Please, please, please let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box. This box may actually work for some people, but for me, it just does not work for me. This is my own opinion, guys. I mean, you may like it. I may not. We may have similar thoughts. I don't know. But I just want to know your thoughts on this box. I really just did not like Allure this month. And Allure always kills it for me, but I don't know. I'm not feeling it this month, guys. So again, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this month's box. Let me know if you get that Laura Mercier powder or not. If you're pleased with your box, I want to know, guys. Please, please, please let me know. So guys, that is all that I have for this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl. Please, please. Yes, thank you. Also, follow me on social media. I am most active on Instagram. I will put all of the links down below. And that is all that I have, guys. I really enjoyed doing this unboxing. I like the new little look of the box. I really do like that. But that is all that I have, guys, for this video. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.